If you use Telegram for calls, meetings, or voice chats, it's important to make sure your input and output devices are set correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to manage Telegram input and output devices step by step, so you can fix issues with the wrong microphone or speakers being selected. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Telegram on your device and look at the top left corner of the app. Click the menu icon there to open the main menu. Once the menu appears, click Settings. This is where Telegram keeps your app preferences, account options, and audio settings. Inside Settings, look for the option called Speakers and Cameras and click on it. This section is specifically used to control your audio and video hardware for Telegram. Now you'll see your device options. To change what sound comes out of, click on Output Device. A list of available speakers or headphones will appear, and you can select the correct one from the list. If Telegram is playing audio through the wrong device, this is the setting that fixes it. Next, if your microphone is not working properly or Telegram is using the wrong mic, click on Input Device. Here you can choose the correct microphone from the available options. Make sure you pick the device you actually want Telegram to use for voice messages, calls, and meetings. After selecting the right input and output devices, your changes should take effect right away. This is a quick but very useful setting, especially if you use wireless headphones, an external mic, or switch between multiple audio devices on your computer. And that's it. You now know how to manage Telegram input and output devices in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Telegram and app tutorials. Thanks for watching.